welcome back to the Luxury for Princess channel. My name is Stephanie and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about storing your hair extensions and the Luxury for Princess storage system. It comes with a hanger as well as the outside storage case. I also love using the hanger when I'm styling my extensions. It makes it so easy to curl or smooth them before I place them in my hair. So the set comes with two pieces. This is just the hanger with my personal hair extensions on it. These are the Luxury for Princess in Jet Black. I believe these are the 220 gram Princess Deluxe set. And then this is the hanger inside the outer case, which has a zipper closure on it. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, this does come in both pink and black. Now what I love about this is the fact that this is a kind of vinyl plastic outer coating, which really helps to keep your extensions lying nice and smooth and sleek inside. This is also great for storage because it folds up easily. You could put this into your suitcase. It's not really bulky. If you wanted to put this inside your actual garment bag, say you're going to a wedding or a destination, you guys could just hang this right inside your garment bag and it would travel with your clothing really wonderfully. So this is the hanger all on its own. It has a swivel top on it, so this can move around however you need it to. And then to open this, you're just going to pop that hanger forward, and then the bottom hinge mechanism will open up. Next, I'm going to show you guys how you can put your hair extensions in the hanger itself to hang them up and store them. So now I'm going to show you how to use the hanger. So the first thing you want to do, I like to lay mine out on a flat surface. I just find that easiest. You're going to unlock the hanger by clicking it open up the two wooden slats, and then you can see on the inside we have a nice kind of felt liner. This is going to hold your extensions in place but be really gentle on your extensions to avoid any breakage on that hair. We don't want to damage our hair extensions. I like to rotate between putting a large weft with the smaller wefts wedged in between. It helps to keep everything kind of nice and organized. But the main thing you want to do is to make sure you have those metal clips above the wooden hanger piece. We don't want to shut the metal hair clips in between the wooden slats because it could damage them by bending them out of place and things like that. Once you have all of your extensions laid out how you want them, you're just going to close the hanger and then lock it into place, and your extensions are going to be nice and safe, and then you can place them inside your storage bag for safe keeping. And that's how you use your Luxury for Princess storage system. I hope you guys found this video helpful, but if you do have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Everything I talked about today will be listed in the description box for you, so if you kind of want to go check out the storage system or look at some hair extensions, everything will be down there for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!